Do you want to find out what public health is? Follow me.
First, we decided to take a look into the St. Peter community. We noticed that law enforcement and fire department are big roles in the key core functions of insurance. Officers enforce laws, have competent workforce, and provide care to the St. Peter citizens. The St. Peter Hospital plays an obvious but vital role in the health of our community. This hospital cares for the entire 11,906 people living in St. Peter. We also explored the community center and noticed how it plays a role in the core function of policy development, since it mobilizes community partnerships by having a safe space for community members to spend time, and helps inform, educate, and empower everyone in St. Peter. The community center offers events for people of all ages. From books to volleyball, there is something fun for everybody to do. The community center is located just a few blocks down the hill from Gustavus. Health Services provides medical attention and procedures. We decided to talk to Jessica Braun, a nurse practitioner at Gustavus, to see how Health Services impacts our campus's public health.
First question we have is, what does public health mean to you, and how does it impact the way you serve the Gustavus community?
So I think of public health as kind of the health of the population, not the health of the individual. It's just a different focus. And even though in the health service we are seeing individual patients, we are always looking at the overall health of the campus as well. And that's why we do flu shot clinics, and we are looking at, Nissa in our office really worked on the tobacco-free campus initiative, some of those kind of things that are really more broad-reaching than just one-on-one individual interactions.
So how is the health of the Gustavus student population monitored?
Well, we do a variety of things. We get reports from students, so if all of a sudden you hear that there's every student that you see that day is from Aurelius and they all have the same strep throat or something, that's going to clue you in that there's something more happening on campus or within an individual dorm. The other thing that we utilize is the American College Health Association National, I'm forgetting the name of it now, NCHA, National College Health Assessment data to kind of look at the overall health of things as well. We also have data that we get from Learn to Live, so for people who are utilizing that, so we can get some feedback on some of those things as well.
Okay.
Another job that Health Services takes on is hosting events that promote health and well-being. We experienced this firsthand at the flu shot clinic. So many people attended that we ran out of flu shots. Woohoo! This is a key function of assessment, since it is monitoring the health of our campus and preventing a common but harmful illness from spreading. Dining Services ensures that students have well-balanced diets. We decided to interview Kevin Burr, Assistant Director of Services, to see how important Dining Services is to our campus.
So what does public health mean to you, and how is it implemented in your job?
So public health is really important to us in the dining service. I think of public health as the health of the community, of Gustavus students in general. And so that means promoting good hygiene, promoting washing hands, and preventing the spread of disease. I think specifically my job, it really comes down to foodborne illness. And so are we preparing the food correctly? Are we cooking the food correctly? And are we handling the food correctly?
Yeah. How do you make sure that students have access to a variety of foods, including healthy foods?
So the greatest thing, in my opinion, about working at Gustavus is that we're here for the students. We're Gusties. And so we think of we're here as a service, not as a business. Mm-hmm. And so first and foremost, when we're selecting menus, it comes down to what do the Gusties want? What do the students want to eat? And then we'll also look at affordability. Is it something that can we pay a price that the students are willing to pay back? And then environmental impact of, is that food being raised humanely? Is it We really best practices being used when growing the product and that kind of stuff.
Diet plays a large part in students' everyday lives, so it's important to have healthy options for everybody. The Lund Center is also an important aspect of public health because exercising or doing some form of physical activity helps promote health and prevent illnesses. Lund is a key core function that relates to monitoring health. Campus provides students and sports teams an athletic trainer that helps them stay physically healthy and prevent injuries or negative results to their bodies. Professors and studying impact our community since we're in college. One of the most important parts of public health is to evaluate and research what is going on. This is the last step in the core functions of public health. Hopefully, by being educated, we can help them improve the health of our campus.